I have here the shipping address labels, 1 inch by 2 and 5/8. So these are, you could kind of see them, 3 in a row, $750 in the package. These are comparable to the Avery 5160s. So I bought these for a substitute for the Avery 5160s. And honestly, I cannot tell the difference at all whatsoever. Same size, same print quality, no printer issues whatsoever. They are a perfect Avery alternative. They worked flawlessly and with the 5160 template. The adhesive is very strong, and I use these on my next year's dance calendar. I had to label the whole thing. So I just printed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then peeled them off and put them on the calendar. No lifting at the corners. I did the whole friggin' year, and it was no problem whatsoever. These were super easy to peel. So I have here an Avery label that I saved. It is identical to this, and it worked perfectly. It worked perfectly. I highly recommend these, and there's no reason not to trust this brand. But they do exactly what they say they do, a better price point, and these little guys here are going to be my new go-to for shipping and labeling.